Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon. I don't know whether it's a joke or not. I must be too famous. I got James Charles sending me something. Gosh, this is life is a little bit becoming okay. Hello dear friends, good afternoon. Such a beautiful afternoon. And I open up the box, open up the packaging, only to realize that I forgot to make the video footage. So then I am not redoing it. So here is the silk. They lost a lot of its fun and interesting and excitement, but that is thanks 15, you get 15% off. And here is the silk. I remember some time ago in a beautiful afternoon, I received one email and one friend asked, one email asking if I am interested to get a silk pillowcase. I do not really need it, but well, it doesn't hurt to have one, and so I will do an unboxing, and it's not sponsored. They give me for free, and that's it. So I think everyone runs a business, have some hardship. They try to promote their things. And so I am opening it up. You can feel from this side it's so smooth. It's because the weaving, yeah, is this direction. If you go from this side, you feel a little bit of stoppage. And this from the back, that is, it's one, two, another. Millions of little knots this side. So this is a satin silk, and it's very heavy, a lot of silk in it, and feels very comfortable. A little bit too big. Maybe I can use it to make a mini skirt or something. Anyway, this will be so comfortable. Yeah. So this is the silk pillowcase. Wow, this is so big. I do not know if I have such a big. Let me take off my glasses. If I have this big size of pillow. So that's it. If you want to buy it, this is the product code. Maybe I will put the link under it, under the description of this video. Anyway, that's it. It's beautiful silk, beautiful, so comfortable. Okay, bye bye friends. I love you. I really do. Do. That's very good silk. You put the pillow in and then smooth it out. It becomes good. Bye bye, friends.